My name is Jimmy Cochran. This is my 2-year-old Anna. This is what I'm calling the Zephyr. 0 fossil fuels required.
Yes.
I have taken 3 plates.
Daddy!
Isolated them. Just a second, Anna.
Daddy!
Bolted them together with rubber spacers in between. It's really not a accurate design, but it's just something I threw together in a few minutes to see if it works. What this does is, with the plates, however close they are together, you will separate the hydrogen and oxygen molecules by hooking up to a 12-volt source. I've got jumper cables going to my truck. And the negative side is where you get your hydrogen, which is all the tiny bubbles you'll see. And let's hook it up and get the cord out your way. Let's hook it up and see how well it works. We're hooked up. And as you can see, it works pretty fast. Acid is the key. Sodium hydroxide works very well. I'm using an acid out of my car battery. And as you can see, it's producing a decent amount of hydrogen for just a small experiment I'm doing. This is a mason jar, about 80% full of water, and about a tablespoon of battery acid. And as you can see, it is producing a good amount. As I unplug it, you will get to see it all just re-accumulate back together, and the glass will clear back up. Once it clears up, I'll try to arrange it so you can see the plates better. Shake all the bubbles off from it. This way maybe you can see it in action a little bit better. Anna! And here we go for another test. And we're hooked up. As you can see, it does produce fairly quickly, up and down. If you stand it up, it works a good bit better. The bubbles can, as you can see, it works a lot better if you stand it up. The bubbles are able to move through the spacings a lot better. And what is produced off the top that you cannot see right here is hydrogen, which you hook through your car's intake through the vacuum and the Venturi system, and you have up to, I've heard reports of 40% and 50% better fuel economy. Well, this is my Zephyr.